Shane here with Silver Sport Transmissions, and today I'm going to go over setting up our hydraulic bearing and the spacing for your complete hydraulic clutch setup. The first thing we're going to do is you're going to get the bell housing and the clutch mounted up to the engine along with the flywheel. We're going to do what we call our X measurement. This is measuring from this machined aluminum face of the bell housing down into the tips of the fingers of the clutch. So to do that, you'll need a straight edge and a ruler, or if you have a slide rule like this will work as well. And you're basically just going to go down just to the tips of the fingers there to where that sits flat, and then you'll want to record that measurement. So on this particular application, it's going to be 2.600. We'll write that down and we'll refer back to that in a minute. The next thing we're going to want to do is on the transmission side, after you have the bearing retainer installed and the in-play checked, keep in mind if you order the transmission and the hydraulics from Silver Sport, this will already be done for you. You're going to want to take your bearing, put it on the front of the transmission, and collapse it. And then just like you measured on the bell housing, you're going to measure from the face of the collapsed bearing to the face of the transmission. So once you record that measurement, in this case with this particular application is 2.402, you'll subtract that 2.402 from your initial measurement of 2.600. That will give you your bearing cushion. In this case, we're looking for 125 thousandths to 375 thousandths. So in this setup, we're right at 198 thousandths, so we are within spec and we are good to go. So if you're out of spec, we do have spacers available. So if you are greater than 375 thousandths, so if you are too far away, we do have spacers that we send that go behind the bearing to move the bearing closer. If you are less than 125 thousandths, a little bit on the tight side, we do have a plate that we can send that goes in between the transmission and the bell housing to make sure we get you centered between that 1/8 and 3/8 range. If you have any additional questions or need any additional spacers, feel free to give us a call or check us out on the website where they will also be available.